Good morning, all of you. I'm Ashok Kumar Misra. Today, going to solve the question answer of first chapter networking concept of the class 8. Last class, I have discussed the different types of the networking and what is the architecture of the networking. But today, first section A is first question is dash is a computer network created for individual person is first answer is PAN. Second question is dash system allow us to talk to any person in the world at any time. Answer is communication. Third, a computer network enable two or more computer to share dash data and hardware resources. And question number 4, in a network modification or upgradation of the software or data is done at a single point. And question number 5, computers that communicate with each other are called nodes. And question number 6, network maintained without using wire is called wireless network. And question number 7, MAN and LAN are the different type of networking. And question number 8, network topology refers to the layout in which various components of a network are connected. And second question is true false, nodes and server have the same function. The statement is false. Second question, Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. A statement is true. And third question, network card are used to physically attach a computer with a network. True. Fourth question, WAN stands for wide area network. A statement is true. Fifth question, in a client server network there is no central server. A statement is false. And sixth question, extranet refers to a computer network restricted to an organization. Statement is false. And in a star topology, all nodes in the network connected are connected in the circular manner. That is the true. And here is the application based. First answer is LAN network, second is peer-to-peer, and third is the network card, fourth is a Bluetooth. And MCQ questions. First, which is the most commonly used network card? Answer is Ethernet card. Second question, the dash are the certain set of rules that determines how data should be transferred over the network. Answer is protocol. Third question, what do you call the computer that are connected to the server? Nodes. Fourth question, dash security means protecting data and resources from unauthorized access. That is the network. Question number 5, dash is a device that connect wireless communication device to form of wireless network. Answer is WAP. And sixth question, which network among the following requires a single communication line or main cable? That is the bus topology. And now question answer. What is networking and give the some common example. Answer is a computer network can be defined as a group of the computers and other peripherals device that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. Second question is differentiate between the LAN and MAN. It can be differentiated by the different point. First definition, LAN is a computer network that connects computer in a small area, where WAN is a network that cover a broad area using a private or the public network transport. Second point is the data transfer rate. LAN offer high data transfer rate, where WAN has lower data transfer rate due to the congestions. Third point is speed. 80 to 90 Mbps and WAN has 10 to 20 Mbps. And fourth point, broadband. Broadband is available for transmission. Bandwidth. Fourth point is bandwidth. Bandwidth is available for transmission, and fourth point for bandwidth is available in the LAN and WAN. Both have the bandwidth is available for transmission. And error. LAN fewer data transmission error, where WAN has more data transmission error. And sixth point is cost. Maintenance costs are low because less area, and where WAN has maintenance costs are high as more coverage area. And third question is, what do you understand by the term network security? The network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. It is the most important aspects in the computer networking, because many users are accessing same data, so ensure its security. And question number 4, explain client server network in your own words. It is a network where several computers called clients or workstation are connected to the main computer called the server. A server is a computer that provides service to client and controls access to hardware, software, and other resources, whereas the client are the computer which request service like data retrievals, storage, etc. from the server. Last question is, what do you understand by the term network topology? Network topology refers to the layout in which various components of a network like nodes, link, peripheral, etc. are the connected and communicate with each other. Topology can either be the physical or logical. Network topologies are the categorized in the following type: first, point to point; second, bus topology; third, star topology; ring topology; tree topology; and mesh topology. These are the question answer of 5. And last question is different between the peer-to-peer and network, peer-to-peer network and client server network. Peer-to-peer network, a peer-to-peer network where a few computers having the equal capacity and capability are connected together to use the network resources available for the network. Where client-server network, several computers called client or workstation are connected with the main computer called server. Second point, in the peer-to-peer network, there is no central server. Instead of each computer can act as a server as well as the client. A server is a computer that provides service to client and control access to a hardware, software, and other resources. Client are the computer that request service like data retrieval, storage, etc. from the server. Okay, these are the objective long questions, and fill in the blanks, true, false, MCQ, all are solved. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.